Alright, Chef Buck here, and today we're going to cook up a super simple cauliflower snack. If you live in a trailer park, you already know this recipe. Not really a recipe. It's a cauliflower hack for a cauliflower snack. This is all you need right over here. And a couple of bowls. You can do this all in one big bowl if you want. In fact, Camera Girl's mother, she would nuke a whole head of cauliflower and then cover it up with this sauce and cheese, and but we're just going to do some individual ones for our little snack. And I'm just going to take a few florets and break them off in each bowl.
Amen!
There you go. So we're just going to do this much, and then we'll save this here for later for some other fantastical cauliflower recipe, because we got tons of cauliflower recipes. We love using cauliflower. I'm going to link to my cauliflower recipe playlist if you want to check out some other cauliflower dishes. But we're just going to take these bowls. We're just going to put a smidgen of water in each one. Just an itsy bitsy teeny weeny, and adjust the amount of water depending on how much cauliflower you're nuking and how long you're going to do it for. We're just going to throw them in a microwave and let it nuke away, let it steam away, let it cauliflower dream away until it's kind of tender the way we want it. But make sure and do it the way you want it, depending on the power and the machismo of your particular radiological microwavable device. And don't stand too close, especially if you're wearing shorts like I'm wearing, because those waves will go through your britches. And, they might microwave your special parts just a little. Alrighty. So that took way too long. Why do people think microwaves are so fast? But anyway, we've got these kind of to the tenderness that I like. Not super duper overly gushy, but soft enough. Just zap it till it reaches that doneness that you like. Now we're just going to cover these up with a little bit of sauce and cheese. And the sauce is going to be super simple. Get you a little dinky bowl. And then we're going to throw in a little bit of mustard. Is that enough, Camera Girl? Is that too much? And the ratio of mayonnaise to mustard, you're going to want to use more mayonnaise than mustard.
Creamy.
But you got to follow your heart. So now we're going to put a little bit of mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise.
And use whatever ratio of mayonnaise to mustard you like. But, definitely at least twice as much mayonnaise as mustard. Now we're just going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. That's it. There aren't a whole lot of ingredients to this. This is just a quick cauliflower snack.
You could always add onion powder, garlic powder, or minced garlic or onion too.
Yeah, make it as complicated as you like. So we got our little mayonnaise mustard sauce mixed up. And there's just a little bit of water left in here. I'm going to go ahead and drain this water off of here. But you don't have to do that. Just pour off that excess water. Now we're going to take our sauciness and spoon it over our cauliflower and cover it up. Alrighty, so go ahead and get sauce all over your exposed cauliflower. Now I got a little shredded cheddar here. This is kind of a cheddar jack. So just sprinkle that all over the top of your cauliflower. You want more or less than that, Camera Girl?
That works.
That's the right amount. Again, follow your heart. So we got it sauced up, cheesed up. Slide it back in the microwave. Let it zip zap for another minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do a little dance. Eat a lot of cauliflower.
Get down tonight.
So we zip zapped it for about a minute. And there you go. Does that look like it's melted up enough?
Oh, yeah.
That looks bueno to me. So that's all there is to this, Zap you some cauliflower with a little trashy trailer sauce on there and top it with some cheese. I mean, it's not a cookie. Kids don't want to eat cauliflower, but they'll eat this. The thing is, you want to eat this while it's hot. It's so good. It's an actual treat. But I could have had a bunch of cookies. I could have had a bowl of Oreos, but instead I'm having a bowl of cauliflower.
With mayonnaise and cheese.
I got mayonnaise and cheese in here, which isn't what Olympians eat. But still, it's on cauliflower.
Good Lord.
Your mama made this for you when you was a kid?
Yeah, I think when she started working and she was still trying to get dinners because we weren't quite pulling our weight with dinner preparation yet.
You're still not quite pulling your weight.
You better shut up.
The cauliflower cam. Oh, look at that. That was way more than we needed to see. But definitely give this little snack a try. If you want to print the recipe, go to myfoodchannel.com. All our recipes are over there. You can subscribe over there if you want to get on our mailing list. Every week you will get that post in your email along with a box of chocolates. Maybe, you know, check your front doorstep. Could be some chocolate out there. But thanks for watching and subscribing, and we'll see you in the future.